Namaskar, welcome to Aarsun Woods. I am Ashish Mittal. We are known for heavy furniture, designer furniture, royal furniture, and in fact, amazing furniture. But the point remains how you want it. The choice wala furniture and choice involves everything size, design, color, fabric, everything. And on top of that, we are delivering in 57 countries all over India. So, one question always remains that how do we assemble these heavy items? I have a jhula here. Jhula is also known as dolna and unjal is known by a different name. In English, it's called swing. And when we have this heavy item, this huge item, 8 by 8 feet kind of thing, how do we install it? Do we need expertise? Do we need expert help, technician or kind of carpenters to install this? Well, let me show you a small video. I'll show you how the installation is. And this is what we do. We make it so simple that you can do it yourself at your home. But yes, because this is heavy stuff, because this pillar is 12 inches wide, 1 feet wide pillar, and it's a whole tree here. You can see 7 feet whole tree. So this requires a couple of people at least to hold the stuff because this is not light. If I have to carry it, I cannot move this pillar alone. I cannot do it. So you need people to hold the stuff, but not expertise help. Let me show you how easy is the installation. Then I explain everything about the unit. So I've got my guys here. They will install the unit. Before that, we have got four parts: one pillar, two pillar, the top part, and the seat. The seat will be hung by chain. Chain is there. So let me show you how easy is the installation and how quickly we do it. It won't take much time. So here what we have done is we have placed both the pillars at a distance according to the top part, and now this top part goes on top. You can see we have two slots on the top and then slots on the top pillar as well, and this will go right inside the top slot. So we had two slots on this side, two slots on this side. We just have to insert it inside the slots, and this is now set. All we need to do is hang the chair. This is the seat part. Let's hang it. So this is the chain the client has selected. We have got hooks on the top, the hooks with bearing. This is the S hook. This S hook goes inside the slot like this. We have got four chains. So put one hook from this side and put other hook from the other side like this. And all we need to do is hang the chair now. And this goes in the slot here. That's it. And the installation is complete. Hardly 5 minutes. Now it's ready for use. Now let me give you the sizes. The unit out and out covers 8 feet of area on the floor. The height is 7.5 feet. Front to back, this pillar is 2 feet, and it is a heavy pillar, 1 feet wide pillar. And this is all teak wood. In Hindi, we call it Sagwan wood, and this is one of the most durable woods for furniture making and this kind of artistic work. The color is light walnut with gloss, as you can see. The fabric as chosen by the client. The chain, brass chain, as chosen by the client because it has got several options. And this can also be made a reversible kind of seat if you want. If you have space from both the sides, you're placing the jhula in the middle of the room. You can make the seat as reversible as well. This is 5 feet out and out. The total height of the seat itself is 3 feet and front to back 2.5 feet. Wide chair, deep chair, and for comfortable sitting. Here, you can see the space I have. There's a 2.5 seater of space, and two adults and a kid can easily sit. A lot of time we get an inquiry that I want a 3-seater jhula or something like where we can lie down and we can stretch our legs. See, basically what happens, the bigger you want, the bigger space you want, the seat will go bigger. And accordingly, the jhula has to be bigger. So this was all in all about the sizes. We have got so many designs. You can visit our website. In fact, the biggest collection of home jhulas, unjal, and these swings, the biggest collection if you find anywhere is on our website, aarsunwoods.com. And most of our designs have detailed video like this that I'm making right now because they're original units. They are not AI units. And on YouTube, you will find so many videos that I made for these kind of jhulas, because we are making so many designs as per requirement. The most important part, because choice is the important part. You select anything you want to change. You want your logo on the top, you want some om or some religious symbol, you want a different chain, you want a different color of fabric, you want the entire unit to be white, gold, different color, triple shade, dual shade, or you have your own particular color. You have a color chart and you are picking one color from that. Let us know. We will make that color for you, that design for you, and we will deliver right at your doorstep in India or out of India where you want it, at factory price and brand and quality of international brand Aarsun, that is registered in more than 35 countries now. The number is right here. Please contact us. Any questions, any queries, we'll be happy to answer. Thank you. Dhanyavad.